How to log out to OKX account on OKX application. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bistant, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of your OKX account or OKX wallet on the OKX wallet application. Now the process itself is actually pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. In order to log out, you can simply open up your OKX where you'll be logged into your account, right? Then you want to tap on the dot icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it here, you'll be able to see the option that says profile and settings below your profile email. So you can tap on it there, and now under profile you can see at the bottom you can see the logout option there. You can simply tap on logout and then confirm the logout, and you'll be able to log out easily. So this is how you can easily log out OKX account using the OKX application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.